Get the cameras out. I just need them for. Right, cool. Where the big cameras.
To record that special moment.
It's to capture moments. It's like, now you want some facilities.
You're gonna need facilities.
They're gonna need you facilities, man.
Maybe they do the short sheet first? I have no idea.
But don't you feel like paparazzi Cruz? Oh, what on? Cruz Sanchez. David Ortiz, papi, big papi. David Ortiz.
Big Poppy.
Big papi. Cruz Sanchez, huh? I'll be Cruz Sanchez.
I think I'm gonna run out of memory card space. Keyword is done.
It's all good, man. It's all good. It's all good. That one will baffle you, dude. That one will definitely baffle you. We want to catch it in the morning, first. You gotta do it in front of us. I think Dan said you got an opening, man. Huh? Dan got an opening, man. You might replace Michael.
Facilities.
You might replace Michael Domingo. Hey, can I get my black Louis 6 with lotus sauce so I can tear this plastic up? I got some good ones. I got some, I'm going to send this to the detox. Well, people, maybe they can see what you do at work, So I'm like, hey, this is what you guys facility did the same. I mean, it's a hell of a guy, right? You can see what the... Oh, man, cool. My memory is full, man. Thanks to you.
You know what makes it even better?
Dude,
all the plastic bags.
Dude. Your knees is gonna get cold.
All the plastic bags were from you, Cruz.
Thanks.
Oh, really?
Don't worry, I got a big surprise for you. Dan Bird told me just to save it for later, but later's here.
You might unleash it.
It's gonna be a big surprise.
You're gonna unleash it. Is that what it is? Hey, you somebody that is gonna...
Woo!
Hey, I'm gonna unleash it.
This is nothing compared to the big surprise.
I'll be waiting.
I know you will.
I know you will.
When you least expect it.
Gotta do this one. You recording?
Looks like Cruz got a present.
Birthday gift, buddy.
This is Cindy Chasa.
Hey, Mom, what I always wanted.
A monitor.
You said you got one in software.
What's that?
You got one in software.
Can be funny. So make sure you have your camera.
I'm gonna make sure I have video of this fucker, man.
It's a big explosion.
It's a big
Big explosion. This for Elvis.
Dude, you got me on the water thing, dude. I drank it. Dude, he put salt in my freaking water. I went like this.
Ask me how many packages. 5.
No wonder, dude. I was like, yeah, plus the extra salt that was in my, or sugar, whatever it was, in my jacket pocket.
That was kind of funny.
That was funny.
How'd you figure that one out?
Because I was putting my iPod in there, and I was like, wait, what the hell is that? Merry Christmas.
I got that big